Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into some juicy leaks surrounding AMD's highly anticipated Ryzen 9800X 3D. This isn't your average CPU. We're talking about a beast of a processor that's rumored to absolutely demolish the competition in gaming performance. Think mind-blowing frame rates, buttery smooth gameplay, and a whole new level of gaming immersion. We'll break down the latest leaks, speculate on the potential specs, and discuss what this could mean for the future of gaming PCs. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get ready to geek out over AMD's next-gen gaming juggernaut. Architecture and design. Ryzen 9800X 3D. The Ryzen 9800X 3D is built on AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, offering an improved 3D V-cache design that significantly enhances gaming and productivity performance. With its efficient 5nm process, the chip maintains a balance between power consumption and performance, making it ideal for high-performance PCs. This design marks a leap forward in AMD's innovation, setting it apart in the CPU market. Gaming performance. The 9800X 3D excels in gaming, leveraging its expanded cache to deliver higher frame rates and reduce latency in demanding titles. It outperforms its predecessor in handling 4K gaming and esports-level responsiveness. Whether playing AAA games or competitive titles, it ensures smoother gameplay with fewer bottlenecks, even when paired with the latest GPUs. Productivity and multitasking. With 16 cores and 32 threads, the Ryzen 9800X 3D shines in multitasking and intensive workloads. Its enhanced multi-threaded performance makes it an excellent choice for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. Compared to earlier models, it handles resource-heavy applications more efficiently, providing faster results and a better user experience. Thermal efficiency and power consumption. Despite its high performance, the Ryzen 9800X 3D is remarkably efficient thanks to AMD's advancements in thermal design. The processor remains cooler under load, reducing the need for aggressive cooling solutions. Its power efficiency also contributes to lower energy costs, making it a sustainable choice for high-performance systems. Compatibility and platform support. The Ryzen 9800X 3D supports the latest AM5 socket, offering compatibility with DDR5 RAM and PCIe 5.0, ensuring faster memory and storage speeds. AMD's continued support for backward compatibility with older motherboards provides flexibility for users upgrading from earlier Ryzen processors. This makes it a versatile choice for new builds or existing setups. Value for money. The Ryzen 9800X 3D balances cutting-edge performance with a competitive price, appealing to gamers and professionals alike. Its combination of high core counts, advanced cache design, and efficiency makes it a solid investment. Compared to rival CPUs, it offers superior performance per dollar, reinforcing AMD's reputation for delivering exceptional value. Conclusion. The Ryzen 9800X 3D is a powerhouse CPU that pushes the boundaries of performance with its Zen 5 architecture and innovative 3D V-cache technology. It excels in gaming, productivity, and multitasking while maintaining impressive thermal efficiency and power consumption. With support for the latest hardware standards and a competitive price, it's a standout choice for gamers, creators, and professionals looking to build or upgrade a high-performance PC. AMD continues to set a high bar, making the 9800X 3D a worthy addition to their lineup. And there you have it, the latest leaks surrounding the Ryzen 9800X 3D. This processor has the potential to be a game-changer, and we can't wait to see what it can truly do. What are your thoughts on these leaks? Do you think the Ryzen 9800X 3D will live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.